yeah, they do make a pink Chapo. Check that out. Pretty cool. One of my favorite prop style baits. But hey everybody, J Ball, Blue Days Outdoors. Hope you guys are having a good day. You know, just trying to continue on the short form content for you. And I wanted to share with you guys my setup for whopper ploppers. And you know, big shout out to Alex Rudd. If I can find the video that he made that really got me turned on to whopper plopper, or prop style baits I should say, I'll leave a link to it so you guys can check it out. But you know, Alex has been really instrumental in a lot of the different techniques and strategies that I use. And I want to share with you, I think this is pretty close to his setup. I might have made a few modifications, but he's the one that gave me this idea. So again, big shout out to Alex Rudd from Alex Rudd Fishing. But you know, I actually have this bait tied on 30-pound pink python beyond braid. And then I actually have about a 4-foot leader of 20-pound fluorocarbon. And then right at the front, you can see right here, here's a really cool tip and trick. I put a barrel swivel, okay? So there's no snap, right? So I actually have to use snap ring pliers like these right here to change the baits out, yeah, right? So this helps it, if you're fishing anywhere where there's grass and you actually get this bait hung up in grass, it wants to twist and spin. And guys, it'll spin up your line something furious in a real quick hurry. So a pretty simple setup. Again, I've got a probably 7'3" medium heavy rod with a decent, this is the Revo SX RKT. It's a decently high speed reel. It's like 9.1, I think. Yeah, 9.0 to 1 gear ratio, so pretty high speed. But again, 30-pound, I use the 30-pound pink python beyond braid with a 20-pound beyond fluorocarbon leader. I use a improved clinch knot to tie the barrel swivel on. And then again, there's no snap there. That's just a straight barrel swivel. So again, the tendency for this thing, if it gets hung up in the grass or it gets grass, it wants to spin, it'll twist your lineup. So if you guys add a barrel swivel to your prop style bait like this Chapo from Berkeley, or the whopper plopper from River to Sea, works really well too. You guys are gonna thank yourself. So hopefully you guys, yeah, if you guys haven't added a proper style bait, I guess, to your arsenal, I highly suggest it. This rod and reel combo is just for these baits. Nothing else goes on here. So I'm a huge fan of these, a lot of confidence in them. They just draw big bites. Mrs. Blue Jay's favorite bait is this bait, actually, because of the plop noise that they make. Real quick, my favorite colors, besides pink, obviously, if you had to pick 2 colors to use, if you're not as obsessed with pink as I am, which not really many people are, but you want the bone color and you want some sort of loon, and loon is going to be a black and white. Those 2 colors predominantly are going to draw a lot of fish bite, or a lot of bites in any sort of condition, whether it's sunny or cloudy out. But I just like throwing the pink Chapo, obviously, because I like pink. I don't think they make a pink whopper plopper from River to Sea, but if they do, I'll get it. Size wise, it just depends on your body of water. If I'm fishing a river system like the Grand River or the Muskegon River, I'm going to use probably the number 75, because there's a lot of smallmouth in there, so a little bit smaller profile. I've even caught some big smallmouth on Lake St. Clair with these bigger style. This is the 120 size. But if you're keying in on smallmouth, I guess just kind of take this for what it's worth. If you're keying in on smallmouth, stick to the smaller 75 size, or even I think the 100. If you're fishing for largemouth or northern pike or muskie, go to the 110, 120. I've even got the 190 size. So yeah, pretty cool baits. I really do like them. Again, big shout out to Alex Rudd from Alex Rudd Fishing, because he definitely turned me onto these things. And now this thing comes on the deck of the boat every time I go fishing. Hopefully you guys learn something about your whopper ploppers or your prop style bait setup. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other suggestions or comments on kind of maybe what some of your favorite prop baits are, or maybe some other short form content, hope you guys are enjoying kind of this little series I'm doing, mini series on short form content. I'm thinking I'm going to continue doing it. So far, getting a lot of comments, a lot of good feedback on it. So yeah, enough of that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again for the support. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. And hopefully we will see you on the water next time, or another short form content. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.